If your yard looks tired, patchy, and full of dead junk, you might not need fertilizer. You might need this. I picked up the Yardworks 16-inch corded dethatcher from Menards, and for the price, I wasn't expecting much, but it actually surprised me. If you're new here, I'm David, and on David Can Make That, I test tools and build stuff so you can decide what's actually worth your time and money. This time I wanted to improve my lawn and make a video at the same time, so yeah, two birds, one stone. Right out of the box, this thing is exactly what you'd expect at this price point. It's mostly plastic, it's really lightweight, and honestly, it doesn't scream built for 20 years of abuse, but it was easy to put together, nothing complicated, no weird surprises. Just basic assembly, and you're up and running pretty quick. And if you've seen dethatchers from brands like Wen, this looks very familiar. Probably coming from the same factory. Probably the exact same thing, to be honest. Now here's where it gets interesting. This thing actually works really well. It comes with the scarifier blade installed, and that's what I started with. Instead of just lightly raking the surface, it actually digs in a bit, almost like a mini tiller. And for me, this was perfect because I wanted to overseed. It loosened up the top layer of soil, pulled up a ton of dead grass, and got everything ready for new seed. Alright, check this out. You can kind of see a clear delineation between where it's been and where it hasn't been. And the biggest surprise, it didn't bog down at all. Even going through thicker spots in the yard, it just kept going. No stalling, didn't really seem to struggle, just steady performance. Now the catch bag. It works, but you're going to be emptying it a lot. Especially if your yard is like mine and hasn't ever been dethatched before. This thing was pulling up a ton of material, dead grass, thatch, debris, dirt. I filled the bag pretty quickly over and over again. I ended up dumping everything into my mulch piles, which worked out great. Switching from the scarifier to the dethatcher attachment looked intimidating at first, but it's actually super simple. 2 bolts, one comes out, swap the piece, pop the other one back in, and you're done. No special tools, no frustration. Took maybe a couple minutes. Once I swapped over, the dethatcher did a great job cleaning things up. It pulled out dead grass really well, and I've got a ton of walnut shells in my yard thanks to squirrels, and it actually picked a lot of those up too. So it's not just for thatch, it's basically like a power rake. It is corded, which means, yeah, you're dragging a leash around the yard. But there's a trick. Just go back and forth in straight lines and keep the cord on the side you already finished. Never cross your path and you won't fight it. Not as nice as cordless, but honestly, not a big deal once you get moving. So here's the deal. Is this thing built like a commercial grade machine? No. But for the price, it absolutely does the job. If you take care of it, I can easily see this lasting several seasons, and for what you pay, that's a solid value. If you've been putting off dethatching because it seems like too much work, this might be the easiest way to finally get it done. If you like videos where I actually use tools and tell you the honest truth about them, hit subscribe. And if there's another tool you want me to try out, let me know in the comments. Alright, now I've got a yard to fix.